When you schedule baby, no one pay more of your class. No one man I roll. No one want a tickle. Who be using how you want? Because me I'm a friend. Want me I go? Me I'm a friend.
First I say I didn't be no.
No necessary.
Otiao kana Bahamanoko.
No ma pamo. Me find she. Like mother, like daughter, you know. Stress free. You find to stress free. Imagine say, "Oh, crash on obi na one kasa wa friend na wa be the opama na wa banako." Send me meet we always be catch me say me oh baba be family say oh girlfriend na. Me he's only chicken.
Peniri kasa na bibia.
Hello Ghana. Good morning to everybody. My name is Tracey, as you know, and there's this video trending on social media when Zion was interviewing my friend, and I just walked in, you know. Me diagro, me call diagro keke. I was just joking, and the video is going viral. I've seen it, and people calling me. All I want to say is, I'm very sorry. We were joking, as you can see in the video. No, Agon and Ayidi, we were joking. So please, I beg everybody, my fans, everybody, my friends, my family, I beg you. You know that's not how I am. I was just joking. I haven't gotten to any level, please. I was just joking. I beg you all in the name of God, please. I'm sorry. I was just joking. I didn't mean it.